Hey sneakerheads, what's up? The whole mystery box trend has totally taken over the sneaker world, right? Well, get ready for this, because Drake and Nike are dropping their own $50 mystery box, giving you a shot at some insane, unreleased NOCTA gear. Here's the breakdown. They're offered tiers. Everyone starts at tier 4, which has cool stuff like tees, hoodies, and some low-key footwear. But here's where it gets crazy. A lucky few will get upgraded. Tier 3 has sold-out items like the Hot Step 2 and 3. Tier 2 is even wilder, with friends and family exclusives like the EYBL NOCTA Glides and even a golf bag. And Tier 1. It's the ultimate prize, with only 40 boxes available. We're talking one-of-one pieces made for Drake himself, like custom Air Force One South and premium leather jackets. Plus, they're teasing an unreleased Air Max Plus in Raptors colors for just $50. This could be the biggest come-up of the year. Head over to the NOCTA website to try your luck. Let me know what you get.